Do you have multiple credit cards and personal loans and you're struggling to pay them off? Here is a simple strategy to destroy your debts. Firstly, write a list of all the debts that you currently owe, from the lowest account balance on the top of the list to the highest account balance at the bottom of the list. Now focus on paying off the lowest account balance first. Put all your extra repayments on paying the lowest first, while maintaining minimum repayments on all your other debts. Once you pay off the lowest account balance, then move on to the next one. And then continue that process until you destroy your debts. It's a simple way to pay off your debts. If you need assistance when it comes to budgeting, please contact our office, as we love the opportunity to assist. Clyde Gonzalez from Better Financial Tomorrow.